Hi, I'm Edwin, chef here at Uno in Denmark, and today we're going to be unboxing our new Varimixer tabletop mixer called Teddy. So inside the box with our mixer is an information magazine, a plastic lid which fits onto the top of the bowl, power cable, got this plastic covering. Nice looking machine, very heavy duty, a large control on both sides of the unit. To release the bowl, there's this clip, bowl comes out lovely, a whisk, a dough hook, paddle whisk. This is for to clip onto the side when you're adding liquid or flour into the bowl during the mixing process. Good sturdy bowl. This plastic protection just clips off like so you can go to the wash. If you're whisking, it will stop your cream from going all over the place. I'm guessing this just fits on like so. Yeah. So the bowl fits back in these 3 points, and then the triangular base twists into place, and you have this little key that locks it in place. That's very sturdy, not going anywhere. The different connections. So you can see here on the side, it has on both sides a large, heavy duty control. The speed goes up 1 to 5. To close the unit, you just push it down, press it, clicks into place. Then you have your 1 to 5, but then to release the unit you have to go in the opposite direction, so that means that you can't open the unit whilst it's in use, so that's a good safety feature. Shut the unit, turn it on. Very close to the edge of the bowl, but it's not touching the edge of the bowl. Fantastic. Slow it right down. It has to stop before you can release. I'm really looking forward to getting into the kitchen, installing the new Teddy, so we can all work with it and make some fantastic food. The Teddy's going to be the newest part of our kitchen team, the newest piece of equipment.